Hello YouTube. Today we're going to do another review, but before then I want to say just something real quick. First of all, I just got off work. I'm really sweaty, I'm a little bit upset, and I'm really hungry. So if anything like that comes in the video, just know where I'm coming from. I'm not working as an employee for Fishers. I used to be, but they're doing some contract work, little side projects and side jobs this week. So that's why I'm wearing this fancy shirt. Let's just say there's customers out there and people out there who don't want to be helped. For whatever reason, they always want to put blame elsewhere and try to make things difficult, and I don't know why. It was my first impression with this person too, so first impressions do just be careful on what you say. That's all I'll say on that. Today we got Lay's Wavy Cuban sandwich chips. I'll be honest, I have no idea what a Cuban sandwich should taste like, but I assume it'll be something similar to these chips. Limited summer flavor. I've actually bought these a while ago. They've been sitting in my pantry for a while, and I just wanted to have time to make a review video on them. So without further ado, let's crack these open. That is a very puffy bag. Wow, look at that. It smells like a barbecue. Summer barbecue, that's what it smells like. Not the barbecue flavor, just like food in general. We'll see how these taste. Why can't I pick one up? Interesting. The first flavor I tasted was almost like a meaty, smoky flavor. The second taste I tasted was pickles. So if you don't like pickles, I highly recommend not getting these. I mean, there's pickles on the bag right there, so where's the sandwich? There's the sandwich. You know when you're eating, you know when you were a kid and you had like a ham sandwich and you put potato chips on top of, like, in the sandwich? That's what it tastes like. That's what these chips taste like. Tastes like you're eating a sandwich with chips on it. They're pretty good. Quite flavorful. Nothing spicy, nothing too overpowering. I'm gonna Google what a Cuban sandwich is. Cuban sandwich, variety of ham and cheese sandwich. Blah 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 blah. Cuban sandwich ingredients: mayo, roasted pork, Swiss cheese, pickles, mustard, and sometimes salami on Cuban bread. So just like a sandwich. A homemade sandwich. That's exactly what these taste like. Tastes like a homemade sandwich. That's pretty yummy. Well, that's a perfectly circular chip. Almost. Yeah, those are good. Anyway, hope you liked that video. There's a lot of ingredients in that. The more I eat them, the less I taste the pickle. That's pretty good though. Give them a try. Limited summer flavor. Let me know what else I should review in the comments below. We'll see you next time.